try to break into that room anymore.
Araw-araw na pa TikTok joke.
Yeah, they're not letting me in. They need to wait.
Pinirong na.
Sabes que son y